Hey everyone! I wanted to do a quick tutorial on one of my favorite warm-ups. It's called the lip trill. What the lip trill does is it helps to connect the vocal cords to the pressure of the breath. It gives you a lot of breath control through the entire vocalization. What we're going to do is you're going to take your fingers and you're going to place them on your cheeks. You want to completely relax all the muscles in the lips and in the face. And then I'm going to get really close here and show you guys. You're going to be blowing kind of like a raspberry. The goal here is to not let the cheeks puff out. So you're going to push kind of up and back. And then you want to sustain this breath with a raspberry for as long as possible. So let's go ahead and do 3 rounds, okay? Ready? So you're going to inhale, relax, hands on the cheeks, pushing slightly back and up, everything relaxed, and then blow a long raspberry. Okay, inhale. That was a nice long one. Okay, and then for this last one, you can start to play around with, once you have the lip trill down, you can add some vocalization. So you can play around with making a vocal tone that kind of goes up or down, or however you want to do with some toning. So let's do this one and maybe just add like a sigh or something in there. So relax, hands, inhale. Oh, these warm-ups are always so funny. So that's the lip trill. You should feel a little tingling in your lips, and you should also be a little bit closer to being warmed up and ready to record. Thanks so much, you guys.